All right, my fellow YouTubers. So today I got something a little different here. It's not a model, but because the 2023 group NASCAR group build has just started, I wanted to share this book with you that I found. I've had this for a while now. This is a great reference, and I just want to share it with you real quickly. This is Stock Cars Race Fans Reference Guide Understanding NASCAR. I think it should be Reference Guide to Understanding NASCAR, but it's just Reference Guide Understanding NASCAR. This is by William Burt. According to the numbers here, it came out in 1999, wherever it is over here somewhere right there. So I've had this book probably since 1999. You see, I got it on a sale price here for $9.99. But this is what I go to for. I built a lot of NASCAR models along the way. I got a whole stack and series of NASCARs. But this is my kind of go-to reference guide here. And especially before the internet, this was my book. So I'm just going to go through it real quickly here, show it to you. I think this is really, really cool. It's got the little introduction, the little thing about the cars. It's got some great pictures of the cars. And then what I really like about it, it's got pictures of the shops, a couple shops they go into. So you can see the roll cages, the engines, the suspensions. I'm just going to flip real quickly here through. I mean, these are some great pictures here that hard to get from back in the days. So you want some interesting pictures here. I'm getting a glare from the light above me. I'm sorry. So I got a couple pages here saved to show you how cool this is. So let me go over here where it's got like great pictures of the engine. Because it talks about the engine and this ignition system, and great picture of where the batteries go and the axles, and more engine pictures, radiators. I mean, that's a great shot right there. Look at that. It's pretty cool. And then you go over here. Ooh, almost dropped that there. Oh, that's the engine one again. Got underneath the car. I mean, there's great pictures underneath. There's the rear axle there. That's cool. And then I flip to this page here. Again, more roll cage there. Underneath the car again. I mean, these are just detail shots you can only get if you were in the shop yourself. I mean, look at that. How cool is that? You go on there and take a look at that there. And I got one more page flipped here. Oh, that's undercar again. So, like I said, this is a great resource. They go through the shops here. Then they talk about a little bit at the track, what they do on the track. So you get to see some cool pictures. Jack Roush. A bunch of guys walking with a tire. The Tabasco Pontiac. If you're unfamiliar with the Tabasco car, look this up. This is hilarious. Only in NASCAR you can get stuff like that. But I'm like, look at these pictures of the shops here. This is cool. And then you flip through the page here, and it shows like what they do at the track, the practicing, the qualifying. And like I said, just all around great photos. If you get a chance to find this book, and in the back it's got some stats, obviously being from 99, it's a little outdated. And there goes a car spinning. That's the Circuit City car. And 46 car hitting the wall. There's the 16 car getting a little airborne. Yeah, with the Tabasco car again. And it shows you pit stops. Great pictures of Michael Waltrip's car there. Pennzoil car. So like I said, in the back it's got some stats here. Stats are a little outdated. Obviously this is before the days of Jimmy Johnson, Tony Stewart, Kyle Busch. So stats are a little outdated. But if you get an opportunity to find this book, if you're really into building NASCAR models here, this is your book here. This is it here. I really like this book. Stock Car Race Fans Reference Guide Understanding NASCAR. Again, by William Burt. If you're into building NASCAR, try to find your copy of this book. Get it for a decent price, because I got that for $10, and I believe on the back it was like $20-something. I can't find it. Printed in Hong Kong. Oh, there it is. $20. So, highly recommended for all you NASCAR builders, NASCAR fans. So, I got the light off the ceiling. So, get yourself this if you're interested. Just wanted to share it with you. And I'm going to have a couple videos coming up here shortly about the group build, my group build. And looking forward to watching everybody else in the group build. All right, everybody, wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, I'll check you guys later.